Montana Fish, Wildlife and Parks are reminding hunters that there are new regulations in place to help combat chronic wasting disease, or CWD, as the fall approaches. CWD is a deadly neurological disease. It affects deer, elk, moose, and caribou. It was first discovered in Montana less than a year ago. Hunters are now required to stop at FWP check stations to get their deer or elk sampled for CWD. This year, there are transport restriction zones in portions of Liberty and Carbon counties. They're meant to help prevent the unintentional spread of the disease by hunters. FWP Game Management Bureau Chief John Vorey says that if the disease is not properly managed, it can have dire consequences for Montana's deer and elk herds.
It's important that hunters and other people realize that the threat and the risk that this poses to our wildlife in the state. In other states, for example, where it's been there for a long time, it's reduced populations by 45%. In some cases, it's reduced populations 20% a year.
The state has held 2 special hunts to determine how widespread the disease was in affected areas of south central and north central Montana. Tests determined that CWD may be found in as many as 8% of mule deer in the southernmost Carbon County area along the Wyoming state line. In north central Montana, in portions of Liberty County along the Canadian border, fewer than 1% of mule deer are affected by that estimated disease.